What's up? It's Susie from HeyGrillHey.com. Today we are firing up some Vampire Slayer chicken wings, garlic parmesan, just a few ingredients, cooked hot and fast over super delicious smoky charcoal. Let me show you how it's done. All right, let's work on prepping these wings. Now, honestly, it feels like cheating to call this a recipe because there's literally 4 ingredients in the sauce and a bottle of seasoning. It might be the easiest recipe on my website, but it's super high impact. So we're gonna start by prepping the chicken wings themselves. These are just a mix of flats and drumettes. You could cook these whole if you like whole wings. If you find just flats or just drumettes, you do you, boo-boo. I'm gonna pat my wings dry with some paper towels. This can help me find like this. Oh, I just dropped it. Now it's on the floor. Any bone fragments or anything from manufacturing, just clean up those wings a little bit and give us a nice tacky surface to work with. Once my wings are patted dry, I'm gonna give them a nice light coating of oil. This is gonna help the seasoning stick. It's also gonna give us some really nice crispy skin during the cooking process. You wanna use a high heat cooking oil like avocado oil, canola oil, or vegetable oil. Flip them all over, spray the opposite side. You can also do this just by pouring on a tablespoon of oil and then tossing them all together. I like the spray method, just makes it quick and easy. Next, we're gonna hit our wings with seasoning. You really only need salt and pepper, maybe some garlic powder here. We're just building a base layer of simple flavor. I'm gonna be using my beef rub because it has all of that and a little bit more. And I know it's called beef rub, but listen, people in the Grill Squad have been petitioning to call this everything rub because we use it on everything. Flip them over again. Make sure you get the backside. I feel like wings are always like a lot of effort for a tiny little bit of meat, but the tiny little bit of meat that you get is so good. It's always worth it. I love chicken wings. These are about ready to head out to the grill, but before I go grill my chicken wings, I'm going to prep my sauce. By prepping my garlic parmesan sauce now, that means when the wings are hot and ready to come off, that hot, crispy chicken wing skin goes right into this butter and it melts the parmesan and it warms up the garlic and everything becomes aromatic and amazing. I've made them both ways and you really want the hot wing in the sauce right away. So 4 tablespoons of melted, salted butter, 4 cloves of finely minced garlic. These are Vampire Slayer wings. We are going real garlic, very fresh. It's not getting cooked. You will taste the garlic, pinky promise. We're also gonna add in 4 tablespoons of ground Parmesan. These are just some like fine little chunky shreds. That's how I like them because I wanna see the stringy melted bits of the Parmesan cheese. You could also use that finely ground Parmesan if you wanted more of like a sandy coating on the outside. And then a tablespoon of freshly minced parsley. Just give that a quick mix. And this is going to come out to the grill with us so that it's ready to go the second our wings are. Perfect. Let's go cook. We are running these wings over charcoal today. My grill's running about 450 degrees. This works great whether you're cooking on a pellet grill or a gas grill. You just want that kind of higher heat so you can get a nice crispy, crunchy sear on the outside. 4 to 450 is really the sweet spot. Now I have this set up for 2 zones of cooking. Just in case I have any flare-ups from the chicken wings themselves, I can move things over to the indirect heat side. We're just gonna go directly on the grill grates, close the lid, and let them cook. They usually take about 15 to 20 minutes. You wanna flip them every 3 to 5 minutes to make sure that they're not burning, and you can keep an eye on any hot spots in your grill. I'm already hearing the sizzle of the skin of that chicken on the grates. This is fantastic. It smells so great. I'll be back in just a couple minutes and we're gonna flip and flip and flip and flip every few minutes until our wings hit about 175 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature. First flip, and we're already starting to develop some really beautiful color on the outside of our chicken wings. I can also tell that this particular section of my grill is running a little bit hot. I don't want to worry about my wings burning, so I'm just going to move them away from those hot zones. That's why keeping an eye on things when you're cooking really hot and fast like this helps a ton. You just need to know where your hot spots are. Honestly, it's like figuring out the favorite burner on your grill. You know which one runs really, really hot, really, really fast. Same thing when you're cooking on a grill. Yeah.
Wow.
My hair is gonna smell like charcoal chicken wings all night. You're welcome, Todd. You're welcome. We're about 4 flips in and reading about 165, 170. This one's 168. We're so close at this point. I'm just gonna be moving the ones around that I want to get a little bit more color over the hot spot. The one that got a little bit dark, this one, I'm still gonna eat it. But that one's not on the hot spot. Just a couple more minutes and they'll be ready to go into our garlic butter bath. Woo! These little crispy nuggets are just coming off the grill right on time. That's why we have the spare zone for flare-up fighting. Honestly, it's just because the lid's open too, so all that extra, you know, oxygen is sitting in our charcoal. Oh. Calm under pressure. Calm under pressure. Okay, our chicken wings are coming off of the grill. We hit that 175. Now, the reason we're shooting for 175 with chicken wings versus what you would want to see like a 165 for maybe chicken breasts or tenderloins is because wings are full of tight connective tissue. They just start to break down better at about 175. It gives you that pull away from the bone rib, but still retains all of that moisture and juiciness and flavor on the inside. Now, once our crispy grilled wings are tossed into our bowl, just want to take a spoon and give them a stir. It's going to melt the butter. It's going to heat up the garlic. It's going to melt that Parmesan cheese, and it's going to coat our wings in all of that yummy sauce flavor. And again, it's only 4 ingredients, but it's the right 4 ingredients. Now, logic would say, Susie, take these inside. Wait for them to cool down. However, I'm not logical and I love chicken wings. So I'm gonna bust into one of these beauties right here, right now. Look at this! Where's the camera? Give me a beauty. Look, I mean, come on. Can you see this? That, my friends, is the perfect chicken wing. Now, I am a flats girl through and through, and flats have the 2 bones on the inside, so when I'm eating them, I like to give them a little twist like this. Kind of loosens the top bone from the bottom bone. You can grab the top bone with one hand, the bottom bone with the other, get your teeth right in between, and then, just like magic, you have a boneless wing. Are you ready? Ta-da! Oh. Ta-da! Oh my God. It's so simple. It's so classic. The garlic parm wing is iconic. But when you make it fresh, with that fresh minced garlic and that melty Parmesan and that salty butter, that is, I mean, that was like almost an emotional experience for me eating that chicken wing. I'm gonna eat another one almost immediately, but before I do, I'm gonna tell you all the important things that you need to know. First off, this recipe is available on my website, heygrillhey.com. That's also where you can find the beef rub if you wanna give it a try at home. I thank you in advance for supporting our brand by buying our products. It means the world. We also have an app with all of our recipes on it, the Hey Grill Hey app. It's available in the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. All of our recipes are available along with grill reviews, product recommendations, anything you need to help you become a backyard barbecue hero. That's what we're all about at Hey Grill Hey. We'll catch you guys next time. I'm so excited to eat this. Yep, here we go. That's a wrap. I caught you hovering.
Hey, sorry. I haven't had one yet.
He was just shooting all the pretty pictures. Didn't even get a taste test.
Dude. Those are amazing.
They're so good, huh?
Yeah.